Hey there everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat Bitmoji background. So open up your Snapchat and go to your profile right here. Then you might want to change your background here. Just click on it and then select pose and background right here. So from here we can choose multiple backgrounds, whatever we like, whatever we don't. Let's just pick something. Okay, and let's select a different pose as well. Let's see. Okay, this one, perfect. And then select save. And there we go, we changed our Bitmoji's background, as you can see, and that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.